Hi everybody, I'm Joseph Ross, and this is IPS 305, Cross-Cultural Competence and Global Understanding. This course is about exposing students to different cultures, worldviews, and identities, in particular, how people form their own identities. We will look at a variety of perspectives on cultures, how to build relationships with various groups and bridge those cultural gaps, and then we'll conclude with a commitment to bring about change in ourselves and our communities. So I'm Joseph Ross, and I like for you to be able to see me in video form so that you know there's an actual instructor behind the course reading your work and giving you feedback. And I will do this throughout the semester. I do want to emphasize that this course moves very quickly because it's a 7-week course. So what that means is you'll be expected to complete about twice as much work each week as you would in a course that lasts the entire semester. So just keep that in mind. Go ahead and check the syllabus for all the required readings because you'll need to get those as soon as possible so that you can begin to read for the assignments that are required. In addition to this course being reading intensive, it's also writing intensive. And so we'll complete a variety of writing assignments throughout the course. There are weekly postings that are due online, and you'll see those listed on the syllabus as well. But the writing intensive portion is very important because it means that you have opportunities to turn in drafts, and I'll give you feedback, and then you'll be able to revise based on my comments. This is also a course built around collaborative learning. And so we will form teams and we'll have discussions in teams, and there'll even be a team project that you'll complete together. There are individual components to that, and then there's a team component. So I just want to make you aware of all of that. But I'm excited about this course. I'm excited to work with all of you. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can post those questions online. But I look forward to seeing you online, and I look forward to working with you this semester.